right now, AI isn't just writing code or generating images, it's scanning X-rays, spotting diseases earlier than doctors, and even recommending treatments in record time. In some hospitals, these systems are already reporting accuracy levels higher than traditional methods. Sounds like the future of medicine, right? But here's the catch. Doctors aren't being replaced anytime soon. So what's really going on inside this medical AI revolution? Across the world, hospitals are starting to adopt AI tools as digital assistants for doctors. These systems analyze X-rays, kinetic scans, and MRI images in seconds. AI has shown over 99% accuracy in distinguishing normal versus abnormal chest X-rays in some trials. With over 340 AI tools already FDA approved, this shift is happening right now. If you're fascinated by how AI is reshaping our lives, hit subscribe, because we uncover how these breakthroughs are changing the world. Speed is where AI shines. Traditional radiology reports can take hours, sometimes days, but AI can scan an image in seconds, flagging urgent cases immediately. In some hospitals, radiologists are reporting a 15 to 40% boost in efficiency thanks to AI assistance. But here's the reality check. AI doesn't work alone. Doctors remain legally and ethically responsible for every diagnosis. The machine is the assistant, not the boss. AI's advantage comes from patterns. A radiologist may review thousands of scans in a career. An AI can review millions in training, spotting subtleties invisible to the human eye. In a Microsoft study, an AI diagnostic model correctly solved 85% of complex medical cases, compared to just 20% for doctors working without support. But over-reliance can backfire. Unlike humans, AI can't understand context, emotion, or the unique story behind a patient. So, will AI replace doctors? Not in the foreseeable future, but AI will continue to reshape medicine as a powerful assistant, improving accuracy and catching diseases earlier. The future of healthcare isn't doctors versus AI, it's doctors with AI. And the hospitals that embrace this partnership may end up saving countless lives. AI doctors are here, but they're not replacing humans. They're becoming the second set of eyes that could save your life. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments and subscribe.